If you need to contact Evernote for a refund, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can submit your request the right way and avoid missing anything important. Whether you were charged for a subscription you no longer need, you were billed by mistake, or you simply want to ask about a refund, this process will help you get in touch with Evernote support as efficiently as possible. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. First, sign into your Evernote account using the same email address tied to your subscription. Once you're inside your account, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Evernote keeps account and support options, so it's the first place you want to check when you need help. After that, choose Need Help from the menu. This should open Evernote's support options and point you toward the Help Center. Click Help Center to continue. From there, follow any on-screen prompts that appear, since Evernote may ask you to confirm what kind of issue you're having before showing the correct support form. Next, scroll down until you see Submit a Request. This is the option you need to actually contact Evernote support about your refund. Click it, and you'll be taken to a support form where you can choose the reason for your request. In the Issue category, select Account and Subscription. This is the best category for anything related to billing, payment issues, or refund questions. After that, choose the option that matches billing or refunds. Picking the closest match helps make sure your request gets routed to the right support team faster. Now fill out your request carefully. Enter your email address, add a clear subject line, and write a short but detailed description of why you're requesting a refund. Be specific and polite. If possible, include useful details like the date of purchase, your subscription plan, and the payment method you used. The more complete your request is, the easier it is for support to review it. If you have any receipts, billing emails, or screenshots that support your case, attach them as well. This can help verify your payment and make your request easier to process. Once everything is filled in and checked, click Submit. After you send the request, all that's left to do is wait for a response from Evernote support. Keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or promotions folder, in case they reply there. Depending on your account and billing situation, they may ask for additional information before making a decision. And that's it. You now know how to contact Evernote for a refund by going through the Help Center and submitting a support request. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your refund request.